welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So I am going to take you guys along with me today, show you guys what I eat in a day. We've had some really good number, weight, scale victories. I'm so excited to kind of just, continue sharing with you guys like my routine, what I've been doing, what I eat in a day, my favorite low carb meals, things that are keto friendly. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I just always want to say thank you to everyone that watches me all the time, watches my videos, always comments, always likes the video, and just like the silent watchers as well. Even though you guys don't comment, I know that a lot of you guys watch because I always get like so many views. So I just thank you. I thank you so much for just following my journey, watching me. And even if you're not like on a weight loss journey, I know a lot of you guys just like watching my videos. So I just like thank you so much. So, okay, let's go into the mall and I will show you guys what I bought. Okay guys, so I went and got 2 sets of like matching like shirt and shorts from Pink, Victoria's Secret. It was a really good sale. They had like this sudden like promotion that started today and it's probably gonna end on Sunday, so hopefully you guys see this video before Sunday. But it was like for members, buy 2 get 2 free. So I literally it was like before the discount it was like $130 and then it went down to like $65. So I'm so excited. I just got like, I don't know, like matching what is this, like pink shorts, and then also a shirt that matches it, and then pink shorts with a matching pink shirt. So I'm excited. And then so yeah, that was $65. And then I went to the children's place and I spent $100 on the boys. So I just got like lots of summer clothes. So literally just $100 worth of summer clothes, shorts, shirts for the kids. And yeah, that is the spending that I did today. I was very tempted to get one of my favorite foods here in the food court. It's called Pelamara. I don't know. It's like what kind of it's Mediterranean cuisine. I love their food so much. I usually get like their lamb, their beef, their like cucumber salad, and then it also comes with their like rice and peas or rice and beans. But I almost walked over there, but I'm like, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to stick to our plan. We're going to go home, make our lunch that we've already planned, and then also make dinner that we planned, because I know if I buy this is probably going to be like, it's a lot of food, and I probably will eat this for lunch and for dinner, and it's not good. I mean, it's good, but it's like, it's not good, if you know what I mean. So anyways, let's go home, and I'm starting to get a little hungry. It's almost, actually it is noon, so we're gonna break our fast here and make some lunch pretty soon. Okay guys, we're back home. We're gonna go ahead and make our little lunch. So I'll show you guys what we'll be making. It is a kind of like a viral thing right now on TikTok and Instagram. It's basically like a chopped salad, and you can kind of like, you can literally add anything into it. So let me just show you guys my version. Okay, so we're gonna start off with romaine lettuce. You can use whatever greens you want. Then we're gonna throw in our red onion, and then we're gonna add in our banana peppers. And then you can add any like protein. It doesn't have to be lunch meat, but I am using lunch meat. This is just a like a roasted turkey lunch meat. And then you're gonna add your cheese. This is hot pepper jack cheese. I'm also gonna add bacon, but it's still cooling down. So we're gonna just like go ahead and chop. Okay, so now I'm going to plate mine, and then I'm gonna add my my dressing and show you guys like what I will put on. So I think we'll do like, yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so I do love mayo, and like this is kind of like a unwich, but like also like a salad. So I don't know, it's kind of giving me like I need to put mayo in it. So I just literally put like maybe half a tablespoon of mayo, not that much at all. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I could put red vinegar in here and just like call it a day, and I think that would just be absolutely delicious. But I also have this like balsamic vinaigrette that I bought from Sam's Club, but I haven't had it yet, so I want to taste it. Let me just put a little bit. So like a little bit of that. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of red vinegar. It's kind of reminding me like Subway, but like no bread. Let's try it now, guys. Just have to like find that perfect. Oh, that's so good. Yep. This tastes so good, but I had to kind of play with it a little bit and experiment on like what I needed to add for like the dressings. So I literally used a little bit of this. This is a balsamic vinaigrette, and I don't even think I got any of the herbs that are in here. I literally got like just the olive oil part. So I got that, and then I added the mayo, a little bit of mayo, and then I think this is what did it, the red wine vinegar. Oh, this is so good. It's like giving me like Jersey Mike's Subway sandwich without the bread. So it is low carb and keto friendly. I wish I had tomatoes, but I don't. So let's try it together. Okay guys, so before we start dinner, right now it is 4:30. Jamal actually texted me and said that he wanted wings tonight, but I said, I don't want wings because I've already planned dinner, and it's okay if you want to get wings, you can get wings, but I'm gonna make my dinner, and yeah, you can have wings and I can have my hibachi. And the reason he wants wings though is because tonight it's the NFL draft, so it's kind of like a thing where you like order pizza or wings. But before we start making dinner, I am so excited to unbox the Funmily walking pad with you guys. I just received it in the mail. So thank you to Funmily for sending this walking pad over. Okay, my kids are getting a little bit too loud now, so let's unbox it together. I'm so excited to show you guys my new walking pad. Okay, so we're gonna set this up down here in the living room first, just to kind of test it out. So it came with like the little remote control, and it's actually like a little watch, which is so convenient. So you can just kind of put it on your wrist, and then you can kind of control like, you know, how much speed you want, the incline. By the way, yes, this does have incline. Comes with this lubricant oil and a little tool. And then also the cord. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Oh, zoom.
I love how light it is. It is only 4.9 inches thick. It's so easy to store under a bed or a sofa, as you guys can see.
All right, guys, so I turned it on. So it will show you everything you need to know. There's time, how many calories you've burnt, and it is touchscreen, so that's really nice as well. So you can also do touchscreen, or you can use this remote.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm walking.
You're walking?
So I'm gonna up my speed.
Mommy, are you walking?
Yeah, I'm walking. Oh, I love this one so much, guys. And then you can also do incline. So
I want you guys to check out this 2-in-1 under desk treadmill with incline right now. I will have the link below in my description. Click the link and get yours today. I love mine.
What, Mother?
He's filming you walk.
Bonnie. Easy.
You can put a slope to this walking pad, so kind of like a incline. So you just want to put this one, and then you just do the same thing for the other side. Okay, and so now it is like at an incline or a slope, and this maximizes your workout. Yep.
Look.
That is so cool, guys. So
Mommy.
exciting.
Mommy, look.
Hey. Ew.
Why, Mom?
Thank you. My biggest cheerleader. Ready?
Oh, yeah. Run.
Okay guys, we're gonna cut up everything we need. These are all the veggies that we have. I'm missing broccoli, so we're just gonna make it without broccoli next time. Next time we'll remember the broccoli, but this is cabbage. So we're gonna be using cabbage, onion, and then mushrooms. Okay, so then now we need to cut our chicken. So we are going to do 2 pieces of chicken breast. This is from my Good Chop box. Vegetables. Alright guys, we're gonna start off with butter. Alright, we're gonna start off with our veggies first. Hit it with some salt and pepper. And we're just gonna let this cook for like 3 minutes. Alright, so then we're gonna add our mushrooms, soy sauce, sugar-free teriyaki sauce, a good stir. Alright guys, so this is done. I like my cabbage to have a little crunch. I don't want it to be too soggy. And we're gonna do chicken. Do a little bit of sazon. Bit of teriyaki. Let it sit. So far we have our cabbage. I made lots of cabbage. And then our chicken, which came out so freaking good, you guys. I already taste one, but we'll taste one together. So good. Alright guys, and just like that, we made shrimp, chicken, I'm gonna call it hibachi, and then we have our veggies, which is mushrooms, cabbage, and onions. I wish I would have gotten broccoli. Okay, let's plate our food. Okay, so we're gonna get some cabbage and mushrooms. I think that's good. And then we're also gonna do shrimp, and then chicken. Just a little bit of chicken. Okay, now I'm gonna make my little like yum yum sauce. So like spicy mayo sauce to drizzle on top, and then sriracha. So let's do that. Okay guys, my camera battery died, so we're continuing on the phone. So we're just gonna drizzle sriracha. This is my favorite. I cannot eat this without sriracha. So this is my plate. And then this is Micah's plate. Has his little sriracha there. Nope, we don't have sticky rice.
Reaction with hot sauce and sriracha.
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 Just like lagoon. Is it good?
Yes. Alright. It both has what's it called? Yes, but hot sauce. And I'm gonna put it in here. Dip.
No reaction. But he's gonna drink his juice in a little bit. Watch.
No action.
Huh?
I didn't.
Oh. You want to? It's okay.